Welcome, dear learner, to our types of stairs video. Circular stairs. Circular stairs. Straight stairs. Straight stairs. Spiral stairs. Spiral stairs. Switchback stairs. Switchback stairs. Winder stairs. Winder stairs. Side stairs. Side stairs. Curved stairs. Curved stairs. Bifurcated stairs. Bifurcated stairs. Ladder. Ladder. Cantilever stairs. Cantilever stairs. Grand staircase. Grand staircase. Floating staircase. Floating staircase. Bifurcated. Bifurcated. Straight. Straight. Concrete stairs. Concrete stairs. Curved. Curved. Geometric staircase. Geometric staircase. Dog-legged staircase. Dog-legged staircase. Stairs and its types. Stairs and its types. U-shaped. U-shaped. Winder. Winder. Common stair. Common stair. L-shaped. L-shaped.
Thanks for watching.